Alright, y'all, who is ready for my first big giveaway? There will be 3 winners. Stay till the end to learn more. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mel. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the bell twice because I'm learning that people aren't getting my notifications for my videos, and I found out that is why. It doesn't matter if you're subscribed already. Please click on that bell twice so that you see the bell as well as the lines around it, and it'll let you know every time I post a video. So today I have a much shorter video than the one I posted just a few days ago. I know that video was 20 minutes long and it probably dragged for you guys, so I apologize. I was excited. There was a lot of new clothes and I just wanted to show all of you them. Today I have a completely different video though. So with me, I am constantly busy all the time and I really don't get that much sleep. So I probably go to bed around 2:30 in the morning, and I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning to go to work. So that's like nothing, especially when you're posting pictures online and stuff, trying not to look like a tired mess. Like, I don't know, like it's really hard not to look like the Crypt Keeper right now, basically. So I want to give you guys, or I want to tell you guys my tips and tricks to getting the best sleep ever when you really don't have that much time to even get good sleep. So let's start off with our first thing. First things first, get a mattress that is going to properly support your spine. And I know that you're like, my mattress supports my spine just fine. It doesn't, unless you have a Tempur-Pedic or like a Sleep Number, but those are really expensive. So this is what I have found out, guys. I have found a company called Nighslee, and no, they're not paying me to tell you about this. Honestly, I just think it's amazing. I don't know, like, that's why I'm like, I think it's amazing and it's affordable and there's no reason why everybody shouldn't know about it. I went on their website and the queen size mattresses were just above $300, so I'm like, duh, like of course I want to get that, because even though I'm in my 20s, like my spine is jacked up, so I'm always in a lot of pain. I just kind of want to explain to you its dealio real quick. I got it in a box, and please ignore my giant bruises right here. I'm detrimental to myself. So I got it in a giant box and it came straight to my doorstep. I hiked it up the stairs with a little bit of help because it is 75 pounds. And then I cut it open. It comes with its own Nighslee little knife, kind of like a letter opener. And after you unfold it, you cut the plastic off and it immediately just starts rising. So I'll go ahead and insert a clip right here of how I did it so you can kind of see the whole process. It says wait 24 hours for it to be fully expanded, but it expanded like instantly when I cut the plastic off, which you'll completely see. So when I was looking for a memory foam mattress, for one, I didn't want to spend Tempur-Pedic mattress prices. And secondly, honestly, I've had Tempur-Pedic products before and they're way too firm for me. I need something softer. And this has that kind of softness that it bounces back, but it's not like too firm. Also, memory foam mattresses hold heat really bad, so it gets really hot in the middle of the night. And what sold me on this one is it has like holes inside the memory foam. So there's 3 layers on this mattress. There's a top layer, a skinny middle layer, and then a 7-inch foam layer in the bottom. So the foam layer is the sturdy one. The middle layer just kind of reacts to the top layer to see where you need more support. And the top layer is the gel layer. And in that, it's a memory foam, but it has holes in it. And within those holes is a type of gel that they call air gel. And basically what that does is keep your temperature regulated throughout the whole night so that you have a consistent temperature throughout your entire night's sleep, no matter what season it is. And that's what I really need, is something soft, something comfortable that'll support my spine and not make me super hot. But what also was really cool is you have 100 nights that you can try it, and if you don't like it, they'll come get it from you. A 10-year warranty on top of that, 100% money back guarantee if you just don't like it, And it came to me within 3 to 5 business days on my front doorstep, which for one, I'm busy and I don't have enough time to sleep on a mattress, let alone go and pick one up. So that was just really convenient for me. And again, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to tell you guys any of this. It's just like legit awesome. And I also picked up 2 of these pillows, which are fantastic. I ordered these pillows from Nighslee, and they're pretty similar to the mattress, really. They're really thick. You can see, that's the difference. You can see, like, here's my pillow, or my original pillow, and then here's the Nighslee pillow. It's like, this is like, I can toss that. This is heavy. It came in a small box. I'll go ahead and insert a clip here. Same way, I opened it, cut it open, or pulled it out, and let it expand for 24 hours. So that is my hack on how to get your best sleep on an affordable mattress. Now please, if you are interested in this mattress, wink wink hint hint, stay till the end of the video, because I might be giving some away. So make sure you watch the entire video, because there might be little hints in there of how to win, so you gotta watch the whole thing. And at the end, I will have details on how you might be able to win your own mattress. So basically, I depend on this mattress to give me the majority of the best sleep possible. But if that is not possible, if I don't have enough time to even go home and sleep, this is my go-to. This is the hoodie by, I believe it's called Aros or Aros. I'm not sure. I'm sorry if somebody from the company sees this and I'm butchering it, but it is AROS. I'll show you guys what the tag looks like real quick. There you go. The information will be down in the description box if you want more information about this company. But it is my go-to because, for one, I'm always wearing hoodies, and 2, this one has a built-in inflatable pillow in the hood. And if you look right in here, you can see the different chambers of where it would inflate to. And then there is a hidden little spout right here. If you pull it out, that's where you blow it up at. So you could wear this wherever. This one is my favorite one out of all of the ones that I have because it is the softest. It's kind of like a corduroy material, but it's like super soft. And this would be amazing to wear on planes or on your lunch break. Or, for instance, for me, when I'm doing long trips back and forth from Cleveland. Or let's say you're at your friend's house and they're taking forever to get ready. What are you gonna do? You have an instant pillow. Take as much time as you need. And please, I know I'm gonna sound like one of those girls that swears on this, but I do. Essential oils, guys. So this is lemon, so this is my energizing one. And I don't have my lavender right now. But seriously, this thing is amazing. All you do is put some water in it, like you can see right there. I put some water in it. They say just do a couple of drops, but I do a lot like that. And then all you have to do is put this cap on it. Put your cover on it. And then it never lines up right on top. Okay. And then you just turn it on. And it's just good to go. Like, you can immediately, do you see? It immediately comes out, guys. And this, I really can't say enough about this. I bought this at Walmart for, I believe, $23. And I don't know what I would do without this. It changes your mood. I'll lower my light so you can see it changes the colors as well. But this thing is amazing. If you have not tried essential oils, it really does completely change your mood. Like you can see it filling up the room right now. But, oh my gosh, just laying down and smelling this and breathing this in and just relaxing, especially on my awesome mattress. There's really no better way to relax than this. Alright guys, so that is my 3 tips and tricks if you didn't know about them. Now we're on to my giveaway!
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
After loving my Nighslee mattress so much, I reached out to them and asked them if they would like to be involved with my video. So they are offering to do a giveaway for three twin size mattresses. All you have to do is 4 things. Number 1, subscribe to my channel and make sure the lines are around the bell by clicking it twice. Number 2, follow me on Instagram at _melchris. Number 3, make sure you are also following Nighslee, the company, on Instagram as well. I will link their Instagram handle right here. And lastly, you guys need to comment down below and tell me why you deserve to win a free Nighslee twin size mattress. That is it. As long as I can verify that you've done those 4 things and you have to be a US resident, I will be selecting one of the winners below and DMing you for your contact information with your address and sending that to the company so that you guys can win a free twin size Nighslee mattress. So that is it for this video, guys. Make sure you do those 4 things and win you guys a mattress, and I will see you in the next video, okay? Bye, guys.